Thermomix TM7, a revolution in the kitchen. The Thermomix TM7 is a major upgrade to the popular kitchen appliance. Every technical component is new, except for the blade assembly. This complete redesign signals Thermomix's commitment to innovation. Key features. Sleek design. For the first time, Thermomix offers a black color option, broadening its appeal to various kitchen styles. Large touchscreen. A 10-inch screen provides a tablet-like experience, with high resolution and responsiveness. Cookidoo Integration. The screen seamlessly integrates Cookidoo, Thermomix's recipe platform with over 100,000 recipes. Users can create profiles for personalized recipe access. A 3-month free trial is included with purchase. Enhanced guided cooking. The digital simulation for guided recipes has been improved, providing detailed step-by-step instructions. Versatile capacity. The 2.2-liter bowl remains, with the option to expand to 6.8 liters using the steaming accessory. The TM7 can also cook without the lid, allowing for greater flexibility. Overall, the Thermomix TM7 aims to simplify food preparation while offering a premium user experience.